Hello everyone, we are going to solve for the value of x from this exponential equation that involves radicals. And the given equation is what? Square root of 17 raised to the power of 8 plus 17 raised to the power of x all over 17 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 17 raised to 2. Then we are asked to solve for the value of x from this equation. The first thing we need to do is to remove this radical, this square root, by squaring both sides of the equation. So we square the left hand side and also we square the right hand side, so that this square is going to cancel the square root. So we are left with what? 17 raised to the power of 8 plus 17 raised to the power of x all over 17 raised to x plus 1, which is equal to, recall power property of indices, we can multiply the two power together. So this is going to give us what? 17 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 is going to give us 4. Now the next step we are going to do is to cross multiply. To convert this right hand side into fraction form, we can just divide it by 1, because anything we divide by 1 is the same as that thing. So now we are going to cross multiply. 1 multiplied by the whole of this is the same as what? 17 raised to the power of x plus 17 raised to the power of x, because 1 multiplied by anything is the same as that thing, which is equal to 17 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 17 raised to the power of x plus 1. So now the next thing we're going to do is to open this bracket. So we're going to have what? In the left hand side is 17 raised to 8 plus 17 raised to the power of x, which is equal to, here we are going to distribute this 17 to the power of 4 into this bracket. 17 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 17 raised to the power of x. Recall multiplication property of indices. When the bases are the same, we just write one of the base, then we add the exponent. 4 plus x, which is this first power and the second power, then plus 17 raised to 4 multiplied by 1 is the same as what? 17 raised to the power of 4. Now the next thing we're going to do is to combine the like term. The one with exponent x, we take them to the left hand side, then we take with ordinary constant to the right hand side. So here we have 17 raised to the power of x. Then when this 17 raised to the power of 4 plus x cross this equality sign, it becomes negative 17 raised to the power of 4 plus x, which is equal to, here we have 17 raised to the power of 4, and when we take this 17 raised to the power of 8 cross to the right hand side, become negative 17 raised to the power of 8. Now the next thing we're going to do, as you can see here, we have 17 to the power of x, and here also we can get 17 raised to the power of x, because when we have this place alone can also be written as well, 17 to the power of 4 multiplied by 17 to the power of x. This is equivalent to this. So here we can factor out 17 to the power of x from here because they are common. So when we take 17 to the power of x from here, it will remain only 17 to the power of 4. So we factor out 17 to the power of x, then we open bracket. Now we're going to divide. 17 to the power of x divided by the one outside, so here will become 1. Then minus 17 to the power of x is outside already, so this place will remain 17 to the power of 4, which is equal to, in the right hand side here, we're going to factor out the one with the least exponent, which is this to power 4, because as you can see the bases are the same. So we factor out 17 to power 4, then we open bracket. 17 to power 4 divides 17 to power 4, it will be 1. Then minus 17 to the power of 8 divides 17 to the power of 4. They have the same basis, so we just write 17, then we subtract the exponent. 8 minus 4 is the same as 4. Now what do you notice? In the right hand side, in the left hand side we have 1 minus 17 to power 4. Then in the right hand side also we have 1 minus 17 to power 4. So we can divide both sides by 1 minus 17 to power 4, and here also 1 minus 17 to the power of 4. Remember, this is multiplication and this is multiplication, so this can cancel this, then this will also eliminate this. We are left with what? 17 to the power of x in the left hand side, which is equal to, in the right hand side we are left with 17 to the power of 4. So what do you notice? The bases are the same. And recall one of the property of exponent, when the bases are the same and there's equality sign, that means the power is also the same. That will make us to cancel out the bases, then we equate the power. The first power is x, which is equal to the second power, which is 4. So therefore 4 is the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more videos like this. Thanks.